guys, good morning. Meet Makai. Makai, say hi. Say hi. No, say hi. Yeah. Say I know. I just wake him, so I'm not really, you know. But this is Uncle Johnny's baby. This is Uncle Johnny's baby. So you know this is gonna be one of my favoriteest littlest, right? Shoot. Look at him face. You guys, he looks just like my grandfather. Like, just like everything. Head shape, everything. He looks just like you. Like, do you know that? You look like your grandfather? Hmm? Yeah, I saw you feel talk to me from day. From daylight, I saw you feel talk. Tell the people them good morning. Say good morning. You have the manners. I bear yan, you couldn't cover your mouth. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay, alright. Okay, alright, say no more. Say la vie. Hi. Hi. You guys, I love the babies in my family. Only the babies. I don't like the adults. I want to give them all away and keep all of the babies. You're going to school today, Papa? You're gonna help mommy teach class today? Hmm? Hey guys, good afternoon. Just checking in. We left daddy's. Currently in town. Well, not really town, but maybe a Fairview. We'll come for buy food. I just picked up some Sakura. Can't come to Montego Bay and I get my Sakura. I get my jerkies yesterday. Get my Sakura, so I got my little Montego Bay fix. Babe bought food from Old Joe's. I guess instead of fried chicken, a fried good, so I'm gonna carry that. He's carrying that back in there. What else? Turn on the AC here because carry that light there. Hold on the people. time by myself. OMG, this is so cool. I've always said I wanted to do the drive either down.
Actually, you are a buggy
or
too.
come up.
I say, if you're glad you have me, because I push it for you. People, wife, you know?
Well, yo, I can take this up for the first time on the subject.
Now I want that video for my phone.
Okay.
I use it. Can I press the button one, please?
Oh, we have control! What you want to say?
Thumbnail. That is a thumbnail to you, I got you.
I was on the toll road, but no way I'm gonna pay.
You were driving us, I have to pay a toll.
Why? I always pay the toll.
Nice.
Been a while enough to. You say I go come out?
Yeah, I got you.
Obviously.
I could have before.
Car didn't break down.
Not this time.
God, thank you.
And if you put up, that one enough to go up, you know.
Yeah, idiot. That whole day is going up. Okay? Shit.
Nothing wrong. I'm gonna hide the good about that day. I life, you know. Big driver, yard and a brand.
You guys. Oh man. I did a lot of firsts this trip.
A lot of firsts, you know. Whole heap of firsts go on, including something where, you know.
What?
Off the camera. I'm not sure yet, so. You know? Trouble. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
This is Zoe Shabling.
Oi.
Well, I'm only doing my friend.
Yeah, I have $5 left. Million. Thank you.
Well, picture time in the people, so. Video out.
So where do I go?
You can't park at anything. Are you over there? No, I can't park at something. Yeah, people. That's how they brought down other day, as she said. I'll me tell her to put up that one there. I know she's stubborn. Oh, I can't lift up yourself now. Go country, my brown.
Come on. People, may I go take the people them picture? I'm soon come here.
Introducing, it looks so dark. Introducing, yeah, people. Oh my bling. Yeah, so come out, look a private, look a beach, it's like we can't have a crowd. I don't know, COVID times. So this is the spot. I don't know, so we could all have all food, we could have cooked some food and bring.
I have to come back out here and take pictures.
Yeah, I know, so that look good, all the view there, so. Hold on, I'm gonna stop a video and give you a picture.
No, I don't look cute.
No, wrong thing. I listen to the ocean, you know? Tranquil vibe, you know? Yeah. Tourist level is with them, brother. Sure. She said no, son. These people. That people. All over there, sir, Kingston Harbour, you know, the wharves of Kingston. You know? Yeah, it works. Back to that side, yeah, eshaaa was preaching. Yeah, so this is it. Out here, out here. Eshaaa, this is what you say. So on tourist there, this dry land tourist that in Jamaican tourists. Umbrella, so they come out and people just want to chill and like, you know, come on a little peaceful vibe away from home and the environment and just chill and relax. This ocean and breeze, you know. Yeah. Oh, we talk to the people. Hello. Yeah, people, so. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. We're at Megamart. The last time we seen you guys, we were at the beach. Not much has happened since then. Y'all, these last set of vlogs are gonna be so choppy because I just don't feel good. Like
the whole trip of me a vlog.
Like I just don't.
I mean, I feel to remind her for vlog.
Good.
Something happened, you know, some kind of surprise-ish thing.
Anyways, we are vlog.
Is that the whole place?
I don't want these recorded.
Yeah, bring Charlie. Oh, alright.
Alright guys, so we're finished with Megamart and I want some fruits. So babe stopped at one of his guys that he normally goes to for fruits. And he's gonna get some fruits. People, Joel can't shop.
On a full pint and then all a pint.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I'm full.
We now follow him here. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, thank you. Wow. It's not as sweet as the last one that I got, but it's still sweet. What? Thank you. Ooh. Buzzy. That nice. Wow. So yeah, people, that's all you're living in Jamaica. That's how you're living in Jamaica.
Yeah, now.
I got my thumbnail.
Alright, you get our thumbnail?
Woo. Yo, that was good. The melon is sweeter than the pine, but that was good.
Because I'm melon and my response now.
Anyways, guys, heading home.
Yeah, no.
So, if anything interesting happens later on in the day, we will let you know. Okay? Oh, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home because by right I should be leaving today, but I'm not. So I'll let you guys know what's happening in regards to that when we reach it. Okay? Bye.
Some fruits, nice. You know what good old pine? She said I want to see it like other day, but melon, you know? They have good old artist, orange, June plum, self-ripe, natural banana, I don't know GMO thing.
Long distance loving